Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Walmart Plus subscription. Now, first you're going to go under the Walmart app. You're going to click on Pickup and Delivery. And while you're under the Pickup and Delivery section, you're going to click on those three lines at the very top left. So click on that. And then you'll see under Pickup and Delivery options, you'll see Walmart Plus. So I'm going to click on that. And now you can see how long you've been a member for. If you scroll all the way down, you're going to see how many days you have left on your membership trial. And then after that, you see down at the very bottom, you see cancel Walmart Plus trial. So that's how you could cancel your trial. In addition to where you see monthly membership trial, you can click on change. And here you can modify what type of plan you have. If you want to change it from the annual plan to the month-to-month plan or vice versa. And that's how you cancel your Walmart Plus subscription if you feel the need to do so. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.